Well, we're at another month, another loot crate, and this is for March 2017, and I believe the theme is Primal. Off the top, metal does have some heft to it. Die-cast X-Men Logan Wolverine. There's Magneto, a couple different Wolverines, Colossus, Jubilee. Logan was an amazing movie. Definitely go see it if you have not yet. Let's see. Primal Rage shirt. I haven't played that game in as long as I can remember. Just have a good time playing that. That's a nice little shirt. So what is this here? Oh, Predator. Thing. Bottle opener. It's pretty nice. Got some heft to it. Let's see. Do not touch fence. Electrified fence throughout the park. Jurassic World. That's not too bad there. I don't know if I have anywhere to hang it up at the moment, but well, there's the pin, which you get every month. Smiley face with the claws going through it. It's the monthly little booklet. lootcrate.com/keys. You don't really see anything in this. There, they usually have a design in there. A couple dinosaurs in there. It's not too bad. It was a smaller one, but I really like the crate. And I'll stick the loot crate in the description if you want to go check it out. I'll see you next time.